Hi, I'm Remy from Coveya, and today we're going to look at the powered flexible roller conveyor. These conveyors are perfect for distribution centres, mobile assembly lines and packing lines, truck unloading and loading, and these can massively increase your productivity and efficiency by automating your process flow of materials between spaces. The conveyor we've got here goes up to 17.5 metres long and compacts all the way down to just over 6 metres long. They can be pulled out or extended with these very sturdy yellow handles here and allow for easy and safe manoeuvring around your site. These conveyors come in widths of 450mm, 600mm, 750 and 900mm. These conveyors come with multiple SEW motors, variable speed, meaning you can change the speed anywhere from 10 to 40 meters per minute. These conveyors are reversible, meaning they run both ways. You can change it with just a flick of a switch on the control panel here. They also come with start and stop buttons here at both ends of the conveyor, with emergency stop buttons midway down the conveyor. These rollers are 40mm heavy duty zinc plated steel. They're driven by heavy duty polyurethane drive belts. The roller pitch on them extends up to 125mm and they have a 150 kilo load capacity based on a level working height. The legs on these conveyors are adjustable. They've got welded support braces for extra rigidity and strength. They are adjustable from about 800mm to 1200mm and they're mounted on heavy duty swivel brake casters. We can offer these conveyors on short or long-term hire and to purchase, and keep them in stock to hire at our facility here in Warmley, Bristol. If you have a requirement for conveyors to automate your production or logistics, please give us a call or go to our website at coveya.co.uk. Thanks for watching.